Alright, we're shoving off.
Enjoy. Okay, hold on.
What? Go to the picture.
Okay.
She's making a video.
Don't chase. You gotta face forward, okay?
Let's go across the whole entire lake. Let's go across the whole entire
Alright,
lake.
well, Chase, we're starting to. We just gotta get moving. You can describe what you see if you want. The camera will pick up the sound.
I see fish in the water.
Yeah?
And I see waves. I see a house.
Yeah?
There's a pump. I see the motion area.
Don't shift.
And I see clouds
See crowds.
up there.
Oh, clouds.
And I see the sky and trees. Is the sky sometimes red?
It can be, but it's based on the sun.
Oh, because the sun could also give the sky a boom?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know it could also give the sky a boom. That's how y'all can...
Yeah, here's where the dock's way over there.
Look how close we are to the tree.
Yeah.
You're closer to the tree than
Hey,
the rock.
don't lean, okay? So when you're shifting the center of gravity off on the boat. On the canoe.
You know what? Did you know we are closer to the trees than the dock?
Did you take a survey?
Yeah.
You're correct. We are closer to the other side of the lake than we are to the dock side. So
What?
there's some rocks coming up. We need to move around them.
Rocks coming up.
See them right there?
Where?
You see the tree that's leaning over?
Yeah.
There's rocks right underneath it.
That one?
Yeah, you see the rocks in the water?
No, I don't see any.
You don't see the rocks in the water.
There's no rock.
You don't see the big rock right there. Right to your right. We're almost hitting it.
Oh. I just saw it.
see a froggy somewhere.
Yeah, I see a frog. Just hop.
Is it an imaginary frog?
No. I saw it on. I just saw it hopping. I saw it underwater.
You wave to mommy?
Delicious.
Right over there.
Hi, Mama! Okay, we're going to bump into a log. We're going to bump into a log.
No, we're not.
Yeah?
We're
We
going
have to
around
go-
the log.
we have to go around it. We're going to go on the log?
Well, it's right over there.
Yeah, but
We're just going to go out into the marsh area a little bit, and then we're going to turn around and come back in because Daddy's shoulder's going to start today.
let's go back.
Real soon.
Because I'm hungry.
Oh, Mr. Hunger. Don't jiggle the boat.
I was wondering when you were doing that.
I'm rowing, so I'm going to make some jiggles. You see that tree straight ahead that's in the water coming out? The dead tree? I hit that yesterday.
How? How did you hit?
I got too close.
Did I feel it?
Pardon?
Don't you feel it? It feels like when you bump into it.
No, it's not fun.
Why?
I got a spider on it.
What?
I got a spider. I picked up a spider.
That's a pit.
And, you know, we're fighting the wind, so we're going against the current right now. I think we'll zip home really quick.
Let's go over there now.
Well, let's just show off the marsh area.
Don't skip home later. No, we're going to bump into it.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we're going to. We got too close. I'm cold.
Hi, Cole. Nice to meet you.
It's cold over here.
Is it? Well, we're just going to show on film, on the camera,
Why?
how big the marsh area is to show it's not a very big lake. But it's very beautiful. You can see all the lilies on the lake. All the white spots are lilies.
And the lily flowers.
Yeah.
And the lily petals.
So yesterday, Chase, I did the entire lake.
And did you get stuck?
No, I didn't get stuck. I almost did a couple times.
No, let's pick one of those.
No, we're going to leave them there for other people to enjoy.
I want to give one to somebody. I want to give one to Mama.
Well, Mommy already has some, so we need to leave the others there for people to enjoy and nature to enjoy. I think we're going to turn around, though.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, can turn around right now. What? Look at a flower's going.
Yeah.
And we bumped into lily pad.
Yeah.
Oh, we're crushing lily pad.
You're not crushing the lily pad.
So if we're going to flowers, we would crush them, right?
No.
Yeah.
They are in the water. They'll just bounce out of the way.
Let's go back now.
I'm working on it, Chase. You gotta remember, my shoulder's a little sore.
I remember. In fact, today I kicked you in the tummy. Does it still hurt?
If you kick me in the tummy, it would hurt, yes.
No, but does it still hurt?
I don't know what you mean.
No, when I kicked you in the tummy, does it still hurt?
No.
Okay.
Alright, we're fighting the wind.
This is bad. Now we're going slow.
Next, I'm trying to turn the canoe around a little bit.
And the canoe went harder.
Just that we're in the way of the current right now, from the wind.
What is it back, right? Just gonna make a bit nice. Oh, what is that thing? Oh, those are big lily pads.
Are they?
Yeah, I saw a big one.
That was our short tour of the marsh area. We could have went further, but
Why?
it's a little windy, so it's kind of hard to fight the way that the lake wants us to go. It looks like it's leading us back home. And I'm just going to see if we can get a shot over to the... All right.
It wants us to go that
I
way.
know. We're just going to spin around here.
Now we're going backwards.
Oh no, not backwards. Who knew that the canoe had a reverse gear?
Now I have to go forward.
So there's the other side of the lake.
Yeah.
Rock Lake is not very big, but it's full of enjoyment. Very serene. No motorboats.
And no baby bubble Dunkins. And no, there's also no Titanic. No pirate ships and no ships.
Alright, head back.
And no path.
Oh,
And no,
there's people out.
no
Looks like they went for a swim.
activity park. People are going up for a swim.
Yeah, at the dock next to ours.
No, that's not the house.
You see the guy with the towel?
Yeah,
I
that's
think he
not,
probably went for a swim.
that's not the dock next to us.
Yes it is, because you see Mommy right next door.
Oh, it's the small one. It's the small one which is next.
Well, that one is out in the middle of the water. It's not really a dock, buddy.
What is it?
More
What
like
is
a platform.
it? For what? For what? What is
Swim
it?
out too?
If you see me catching the break, you can go in that platform?
Uh-huh.
Oh. There's a platform over there too, right?
Yeah, but it's owned by other people.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to stop rowing for a minute. Where's the water going to take us?
So, thought the water would take us?
Let's take us that way.
Because you have to swim and push this boat.
Yeah, you're going to have to jump out and swim.
No. I don't have my swim jump on baby bubble Dunkin' human. You have to go over at the door.
I'm working on it, okay?
You're
Chill.
going over there. That's over.
Well, I'm fighting the current, Chase.
But the current is stronger, right? How come the current has... How come the current is...
Because the wind is really windy today.
We're going to be stuck here.
Yeah, that's right. Stuck until you get out and swim.
Mama! Help!
Chase, you know it's not nice to call for help when you don't need it.
I'm touching Mom.
It doesn't matter. It's not nice to call for help when you don't really need it.
We need help.
No, we don't.
Yeah? Because the current is being stronger.
She already did.
Antonina! We're coming back in the boat!
Okay, Chase.
Don't jump in the water.
No!
I'm not saving you today. No,
You-
stay here.
Can you hop out, buddy?
Stay. Hey, come
No!
sit. Hey, come to mom. Look, buddy.
Can you turn the camera off
Bird
too?
watch, okay?